Greetings, my dear friends. If today's joke gave you a chuckle, don't forget to subscribe. It's free, and it'll make us even closer as friends. A woman asked her husband to fix the door in the bathroom. He said, "I'm not a builder." Same woman asked her husband to fix the leaky faucet. He said, "I'm not a plumber." The same woman said to her husband, "My engine light came on in my car. Can you look at it?" He said that I'm no mechanic. The following week, the woman told her husband that she got the neighbor to fix everything, and he says, "Cool, how much did he charge?" And she said that he would fix it for her if she slept with him or baked him a cake. The man chuckled and asked what kind of cake she baked him. She said, "Cake, I'm no baker." One night, a WAPDA officer was getting ready to have some fun with his wife, but just as things were heating up, he finished too quickly. His wife, puzzled, asked, "What happened?" He replied, "Sorry, babe, there was a power outage." The next day, when he came home, he found his wife with the security guard. Shocked, he exclaimed, "What's going on here?" His wife smiled and said, "Well, I got tired of the power cuts, so I installed a UPS."